Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in eFootball quickly and easily. Choose your language, then tap Done. Choose your region, then tap Next. Enter your date of birth correctly and tap Next. Tap Confirm. Then tap Agree and Accept. Now enter your username and tap Continue. Next, select your favorite theme and tap Continue. And that's it. Your account is ready. Now you can start playing eFootball and enjoy the game.